Fettuccine Alfredo recipe. Ingredients: 400 g fettuccine pasta, 1 cup heavy cream, half a cup unsalted butter, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper to taste, chopped parsley for garnish optional. Preparation: bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Cook the fettuccine according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside, reserving a cup of pasta water. In a large pan, melt the unsalted butter over medium heat. Pour in the heavy cream and let it simmer gently for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. Gradually add the grated Parmesan cheese to the cream mixture, stirring constantly until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a bit of the reserved pasta water to thin it out. Season the Alfredo sauce with salt and black pepper to taste. Be cautious with the salt, as Parmesan cheese is already salty. Add the cooked fettuccine to the sauce. Toss the pasta gently, ensuring it's well coated with the Alfredo sauce. Serve the Fettuccine Alfredo hot, garnished with chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy your creamy and delicious Fettuccine Alfredo. Total time: preparing Fettuccine Alfredo takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes. It's a quick and easy dish to make, perfect for a satisfying meal. Adjust the seasoning and thickness of the sauce according to your preference. Enjoy your meal.